If the sun vanished right now, we wouldn't notice for 8 full minutes. Why? Because you never see the universe as it is right now. You are always looking at the past. Light is the fastest messenger in the cosmos, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second. Yet space is so mind-bogglingly vast that light takes time to reach us. When you look at the stars tonight, you aren't looking at space, you are looking at history. The light from the nearest star took over 4 years to get here, and when telescopes like James Webb peer at distant galaxies, they are looking billions of years back in time, witnessing the very dawn of creation. The night sky is the ultimate time machine. If you're ready to travel deeper into the secrets of time and space, hit that subscribe button and join our cosmic journey here at AstroShayan. I'm Shayan, and I'll see you in the past.